Happy day, buddies. This is Nilima Amit from One Life Many Journeys. This is a sleep meditation. So, I advise you to download this meditation so that when you do this meditation while sleeping, you can put your phone on flight mode and play this meditation. Just before you begin this meditation, lie down on your bed comfortably, switch off the lights, switch on the AC or fan, and ensure that there is no disturbance once you start the meditation. Now, as you lie down, calmly and peacefully stretch your legs and hands besides you. Try and position your hands besides you, legs straight, and lie straight and just focus on your breathing. Inhale till your navel and exhale from your navel through your nose very calmly and peacefully. Now we'll try and relax each body part of ours. We'll start counting slowly from 1 to 10, and with each number we'll grow more and more relaxed and more comfortable within our surrounding. 1. Your eyes are relaxing. You can feel them becoming lighter and lighter. 2. Your body is loosening. It's becoming relaxed from the soles of your feet. So, starting from your feet, you can see the stress, the pain, everything going off, and they're just relaxing and becoming lighter and lighter. 3. Up from your legs to your torso, resting and letting go of any stress or thoughts. See them going off, the pain, the stress, and just feel the lightness that is coming with it. 4. Your chest, back, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, everything is just relaxed. You can just feel the lightness in them, flow of energy in them. They just relax so beautifully. 5. Your neck, back of your head, your ears, face, mouth, nose, eyes, everything has released all the tension. Everything has relaxed. It's calm, it's peaceful. 6. The crown of your head eases, loosens the muscles, and now there is no burden. Everything is just gone. You have relaxed completely. 7. Your whole body is slackened. You're totally relaxed. 8. You feel so comfortable. You feel light, a floating sensation. You feel so lighter. 9. Now you are in deep trance state. You feel totally weightless. You feel light. You feel so much more relaxed. 10. You feel light and comfortable, safe and secure. And as you dive into a deep trance state, you are now becoming calmer and peaceful. Now, each body part will go off to sleep with the count of 10. 1. Your feet, they're off to sleep. Off, off, off. Your legs, your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, everything is off to sleep. 3. your abdomen, your torso, your back, your shoulders, your neck, your hands. Everything is gone off to sleep. 5. Your heart, your chest, everything is gone off to sleep. Now there's no need of counts. Slowly and steadily, your hands, arms, fingers, nails, everything is just off, and off to sleep. Your head, your mind, your thoughts, your eyes, your nose, your ears, your face, everything has gone off to sleep. Off, off. And now, before you deep dive into a deep slumber, say thank you for the wonderful day you had, for the wonderful day that is awaiting you ahead. Say thank you, and thank you. Be in gratitude and be relaxed, and slowly and steadily see sleep taking over you. As you sleep, it's off. You are a divine soul. You are a calm and peaceful soul. You are a divine soul. You are a calm and peaceful soul. As you dive in a deep trance, have a good sleep, sleep tight, and wake up fresh in the morning. Have a wonderful night's sleep. The background score is the soothing sleeping music by Meditative Mind. The pictures used are our own captures. If you like our meditations, do subscribe to our channel One Life Many Journeys, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you. Stay blessed.